fact, David, we're looking at a little bit of snow tonight, just enough to clean off the cars in some parts of the state come tomorrow morning.
Exactly. And if anybody has a snow brush I can borrow, I have a loaner car right now, and there's no snow brush in there, so I got to go use the old hands.
We've got you covered.
Anyway, I just remember right when you said that, I was like, oh, I don't have a snow brush. A meteorologist without a snow brush, right? Oh. Well, if it was my car, I'd have one in the back, so I get an excuse tonight. Anyway, cold out there right now. Temperatures are in the lower 20s, northern portions of the state, 21. Caribou, Millinocket, 22. Bar Harbor, 30. Wiscasset, 28. Portland at 27, Freiburg 25, and Sanford at 28. So it's chilly out there. We did see a little bit of light snow move through the area, coating outside our studio. Breeze out of the southwest right now, and really not a factor, so we're not really concerned about the wind. We do have a weak system moving to our north and its frontal system behind it, and that's what's bringing that snow shower activity. We take a closer look down towards the mid-coast right now, and Portland, you're done right now. You could see a flurry, but other than that, nothing going on there. But just to the east, Rockland over to Bangor, we're still seeing some light snow shower activity, even over to Bar Harbor. Still a couple of light snow showers out there. A little further north, Machias, it's a moderate snow shower moving through your area. To the north, up to Holton, still seeing some light snow shower activity. Could see maybe a coating, perhaps a half-inch out of this. Isolated inch, but other than that, we're pretty much done. And we'll take you hour by hour starting at midnight. And again, there's that snow shower activity still on the map. And then watch this. By tomorrow morning, it's all out of here. We're just left with some broken clouds, temperatures dropping back just a little bit, upper teens north, but they're pretty much going to stay where they are right now overnight. And then tomorrow's a pretty decent day as you're starting your day. And even tomorrow afternoon, look at the temperatures along the coastline. You're going to be hitting the lower 40s, so a decent day. Temperatures above average, mostly in the 30s to the north, and you'll see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. And then by the evening hours, a couple of high thin clouds moving north, but other than that, we're seeing plenty of sunshine by 6 o'clock. Temperatures still stuck in the 30s, and then tomorrow night we'll start to see clouds on the increase from the west around this time. So not too bad tomorrow. We do have high pressure settled out to sea, and we are watching this system over the Great Lakes. That's going to take the inside track, but there's enough cold air in place that we could see some snow developing as we go into Thursday night, into a late night Thursday night, and then by Friday morning, pretty much out of here. But we'll watch them along the coastline. Could start off as a brief burst of snow, but it changes quickly to rain. But inland locations, that's where we're expecting a little bit of snow accumulation. As we take a closer look, we're expecting anywhere between 3 to 6 inches across the White Mountains of New Hampshire into western mountains of Maine, even towards the north, 3 to 6 inches up to Caribou. And as you head towards the south, in between the coasts, you're seeing Augusta maybe 1 to 3 inches before it changes over to rain, even up towards Topsfield, Beddington, and down towards Bridgeton. You're right on the line of 3 to 6, 1 to 3, and then towards the south. But along the coastline, we have a quick burst of snow as we start out. I'll get a little closer down east, Machias over to Eastport. Could see maybe a coating before it changes over to rain. So really not a lot going on along the coastline, but there's enough cold air inland that system will bring us a little bit of snow, especially across the higher elevations. Seas tomorrow, 5 to 7 feet. We'll see those winds out of the northwest cranking, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. We do have a small craft advisory in effect through Wednesday afternoon, evening, 7 p.m. And that's how it's looking out across the ocean. 7-day forecast. You know, it's a mild one. Look at the temperatures right through the end of the week. We're above average. As a matter of fact, we're going to talk about Friday. After we get rid of that system on Thursday night into early Friday morning, we could see some record high temperatures. Portland's record is 52 degrees. We're looking about 50 degrees, so we're coming close to records. Last week at this time, we're talking about record lows. I mean, really record lows for some portions of the state, but look at that. We're talking the opposite right now. And into the weekend looks pretty status quo for the year, but for average temperatures.
Yeah.
But
quite the swing there.
I know.
Not sure anyone's complaining.
No Arctic air in sight, so that's some good news there.
All right. Thanks, David.
Thank you.